आचारसंहिता काळात आता मेरेन बेकायदेशीर रोख रक्कम ड्रग्स सारकिल्ल्या वस्तूंचेर कारवाय केल्या। आता मेरेन एकूण 2.44 कोटीचो माल जप्त केला। पहिल्या दिसा 3 जाणांनी उमेदवारी अर्ज भरल्यात। कायद्या प्रमाण सुटयेच्या दिसा उमेदवारी अर्ज घेवपाक मेळना म्हण मुखेल वेंचणूक अधिकारी कुणाल हांच्यानी माहिती दिल्या। RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
I was telling about that seizure by police department, but excise as well as narcotics control bureau, they have also made seizures, substantial seizure. Like yesterday you must have seen, narcotics control bureau has caught cannabis ganja over 23 kg costing 24 lakh rupees. So total seizure in Goa as on date stands at 2,44 lakh 5,207, which includes 4,39,920 cash. Liquor is 1,98,36,287. Drugs is 28,75,000. Precious metal is 2 lakh. Freebies items are 10,54,000. So total is 2,44 lakhs. And significant seizures I would say would be, I will just go chronology wise little bit. Just you should understand that our job is to create a conducive atmosphere so that there should be free and fair election and level playing field for everyone and no abuse of muscle power or money power. Like Narcotics Control Bureau, as I said, is 23 kg, over 24 lakh they have seized. Our nomination is covered by Representations of People Act 1951. There is a provision called Section 2H that defines the public holiday, which is under Negotiable Instrument Act. And then Section 30 and 33 governs the nomination process. So these two sections very clearly define that on the public holidays no nomination can be received at the returning officer level. And as you know, 22nd is 4th Saturday, which is a public holiday under Negotiable Instrument Act. Then Sunday is there, then 26th of January is there. So here if you see the Act says about 7 days, not 7 working days. So 7 days from 21st till 28th is there. So it has been properly defined as per the requirement of the Representation of People's Act. It is the Act which we follow. On the first day of nomination, we have received total 3 nominations, and our process has smoothly started. And as you know, after announcement of election on 8th of January, the Model Code of Conduct has come into force. So total 28,413 defacements have been removed by the teams. Our flying squads are functional in all the assembly constituencies. So total 81 flying squads are there, 24/7. And we have been popularizing C-Vigil app, wherein any citizen can give us detail of any kind of violations with live location.